Burotukula to the deep blue sea, a legend of old, a beauty untold. Listen close, it's your boy rocks in the mist. The mist rises early on the Lawan tide, a secret kingdom where the spirits hide. No map can find it, no compass can steer, but if your heart is pure, the island appears. The sand is like diamonds, the air smells of gold, a story of magic that's never grown old. I'm sailing my drua, I'm searching the blue, hoping for a glimpse, a vision of you. Isalei nogu, Marama Burotukula, Kemuni totoka dre me kunei. Marama Maopo, Serau me Vaka na Vula, Burotukula vanua, auna saini matekina, ni korosidina, ni waimaro ewari. I see the kula feathers red in your hair, the scent of the frangipani fills up the air. You move like the ocean, calm and so deep. The secret of my tuku is the one that you keep. No man can claim you, you're free as the wind. Where the earthly ends and the heaven begins, I'm lost in the rhythm, I'm caught in the flow of the island that shimmers where the chalet know. Marama Burotukula, Kemuni totoka dre mi kunei. Marama Maopo, Serau me Vaka na Vula, Burotukula vanua, auna saini matekina, ni rosidina. Invisible to the eyes, but felt in the soul. From Makadru to the world, we seek the peace of Burotu. If you find me smiling under the palm tree shade, don't wake me up from the promise you made. They say I'm dreaming, they say I'm lost at sea, but I'm in Burotu, where I'm meant to be, with the beautiful sisters of the crimson red, where the sun never sets and the spirit is fed. Marama Burotukula, they're beautiful. Marama Maopo, the one I see, floating on the waves, hiding in the light. Fiji's hidden treasure shining so bright. Rosidina, ni waimaro